we have a fizzalicious yet super simple experiment today we call the Fizz Inflator. First, we need to loosen up the balloons by stretching them a few times. You can do this by blowing them up, then letting all the air out, and repeating that a few times. Now, use only one of the funnels to carefully pour a half cup or 120 milliliters of vinegar into each bottle. One at a time, we're gonna fit the opening of each balloon around the small end of the second funnel and fill the balloon more than halfway full with baking soda. Then we'll fill the second balloon with half as much baking soda. Carefully put the balloon's neck over the neck of the bottle without letting any baking soda into the bottle. All right, now, we're going to count down from 5 and lift the balloons, allowing the baking soda to sprinkle from the balloons into the bottle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little more baking soda. A little more baking soda. You look at that bubbling going on inside. That's fizztastic. That's fizztastic.